Good morning, all of you. I welcome all of you in today's lesson. In today's lesson, we learn about coordinating conjunction in German language. The main coordinating conjunction in German language is you, soda. We combine as you as in und, oder, denn, aber, and sondern. In this lesson, we learn about coordinating conjunctions, how we are going to use this in a sentence. Coordinating conjunctions coordinate clause of the same type, two or more main clause or dependent clause. Then, aber, and sondern are normally proceed by comma. So these three coordinating conjunctions normally proceed by comma, followed by the subject and the verb. These conjunctions do not affect the word order. Like we already know, subject verb object we make sentence, and the next sentence also have subject verb object. It does not affect the word order. It remains same. The most common coordinating conjunction are you, soda, und, and, sondern, but, rather, oder, or, then, because, aber, but. The verb will remain at the second position in all of them. Not then, aber, and sondern are normally proceed by comma. Let's see with the example. Und means and. There are two sentences. Ich esse eine Pizza. Ich trinke einen Saft. So we can combine with und. Ich esse eine Pizza und ich trinke einen Saft. So do not affect the word order, and we combine with the und. Like Tom und Anna spielen Fußball. Tom and Anna play football. Like this as well. Oder means or. Ich fahre in die Stadt oder ich gehe nach Hause. I go in the city or I go to home. Combine with oder. Wir können heute Fußball spielen. We can play today football. Oder or wir können ins Kino gehen. We can go in cinema. So combine with oder. The verb is at second position in both the cases. Aber, but. Es geht mir nicht gut, aber ich komme. It does not. I'm not good, but I come. So, aber, verb at second position and proceed by comma. Tom arbeitet viel, aber hat nicht viel Geld. Tom worked a lot, but he does not have money. Verb at second position, proceed by comma. Ich bin sehr müde, I am very tired, aber ich spiele Sport, but I play. Again, proceed by comma, verb at second position. The film is not long, aber interessant. But interesting, like this as well. There is no verb. Verb is here. Then because. Ich gehe nicht zu Fuß zur Arbeit. I don't go by foot to work. Then es ist sehr kalt because it's very cold. Second position, proceed by comma. Ich gehe zur Klasse, then heute ist Montag. I go to class because today is Monday. Verb at second position, proceed by comma. Sondern, but rather. Sondern mean instead or contrary but rather. Sondern and but rather have same meaning but while using the sondern, the first of which express the negative. The first part should express the negative, like you can look for nicht, kein or nie in the first half, and second is a totally mutually exclusive in order to use the sondern. So normally we use aber, but if the first part have a nicht or kein, some negative part, and second part is mutually exclusive to that part, then we can use sondern. So for sondern we need to check for the nicht and kein in the first part. The second part should be mutually exclusive then. Let's see the example. Ich fahre nicht Fahrrad. I don't drive bicycle. Sondern ist schwimmen, but I swim. Es ist nicht warm. It is not warm. Sondern kalt, but kalt. Ich bleibe nicht zu Hause. I don't stay at home. Sondern ich gehe ins Bibliothek, but I go in library. So first part has negative, and second is mutually exclusive. Verb at second position. So we can use sondern. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any concern, just write us below. Have a nice day.